Hello, welcome back to Sensibly Curly with April H. My name is April and thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today's video is going to be a Restoration Hardware Cloud Couch dupes video, and I am going to be specifically talking about dupes for that one item. Quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored or in collaboration with any of the companies or brands mentioned. All thoughts and opinions are my own and are solely based on the appearance of the items. I have not actually purchased any of the items mentioned and strongly urge you to do your own research prior to making a decision to purchase anything that has been mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching. Now, most of you may already know that the Cloud Couch is very trendy and popular these days, and a lot of people are trying to figure out how they can get that look in their home without breaking the bank. So I wanted to bring this video to you all so that it could be a resource for any of you who are looking for something like this for your home, or maybe just interested in watching this video. So as you all may know, the Cloud Couch definitely is known for its very laid back, casual look. It's very modern and contemporary, but still has a very comfy and cozy feeling, and the very first dupe is definitely emulating that feeling. It looks very, very similar to the Restoration Hardware one, and it's just a fraction of the cost. This is the Noob 2 white sectional sofa, and it is at Eldorado Furniture. It's retailing for $2,999, and as you all can see, it is almost exactly the same. It comes in 3 different colors: pure white, classic gray, and navy blue. And this one has very, very deep and wide seating, just like the Cloud Couch. It is known for its Live Smart performance fiber. So as you all may know, because the more popular version of this couch, it comes in white, the major concern would definitely be like stains and durability, things like that. So if you have animals or children, this may be a great option for you, as it's definitely made to withstand any spills or accidents. The next 2 dupes are from the same company, and that is City Furniture. The very first one is the Reagan Fabric Sectional. This one comes in gray, and it also comes in white. And this one is very, very similar to the Restoration Hardware Cloud Couch. It has that slept-in casual look, very deep seating, very oversized pillows, and definitely emulates that Cloud Couch collection look as well. The second one from City Furniture is the Nixon Sectional. This one retails for $2,199. The Nixon Sectional is also very, very similar to the Cloud Couch. I would say the major difference between the Reagan and the Nixon Sectionals are that the Reagan has more of a traditional feel. The base of the couch has a very slip-covered look to it, so definitely would fit into more traditional or transitional homes, whereas the Nixon is definitely more contemporary or modern. So if you like that look, I would definitely go for the Nixon, and they both come in either white or gray. Following those City Furniture dupes is the Utopia Sectional from Living Spaces, and this one comes in many different sizes and many different colors. It comes in up to 39 colors. It retails from anywhere between $1,895 and $5,400 depending on the size of the couch that you get. You can get a 2-piece sectional, or you can get anywhere up to an 8-piece sectional. Like I said, it's customizable, so you can purchase each section as a separate piece. One thing that I definitely can appreciate about the Utopia Sectional is that it has a little bit more of that structured look. It's not so slouchy, and it doesn't look too slept in. It looks very, very comfortable, but I wouldn't say that it looks slept in. It also still maintains that casual and laid back feel. However, one thing that I've noticed is that the reviews are not very, very positive, so I would keep that in mind. But one thing I would definitely recommend is to just go through the reviews and make that decision for yourself. Next up, we have the Bloom Sectional Modular Sofa in white, and this is by Modani Furniture. This one is very, very extremely similar to the Restoration Hardware one. I just love it. I don't think it's too modern or too traditional. I think it's just right. It is $3,630, and I believe that this sofa only comes in the white color. The next one is the Comfy Clouds Ivory Modular, and it is from Coleman Furniture. This one has tons of positive reviews, so you can customize this. It comes in a 3-piece set, a 4-piece set, or you can build your own if that's something that you're interested in. Currently it is on sale for $1,227, so if you are very serious about getting a Cloud Couch dupe, this is one that I would definitely consider as a high contender. And Coleman Furniture also has a second dupe to the Cloud Couch, and that one is the Posh Porcelain Modular Sectional. One thing to note is that it only has one review. That review is a positive one, but I would definitely keep this in mind if you do plan on purchasing this one. It retails for $3,039, and it's currently on sale for $1,477. I would definitely say that the Posh Sectional is a little bit more of a modern feel on the Comfy Clouds one from Coleman Furniture. I think the Comfy Clouds one would definitely fit into more of a transitional home, whereas the Posh Porcelain Sectional would look better in a very modern and contemporary home. And next up we have the Comics Downfilled Overstuffed 4-piece sectional sofa, and that is from HomeThreads.com. This one is currently on sale for $1,595, and it comes in multiple colors. Those colors are azure, which is navy blue. It comes in beige, gray, which looks like a dark charcoal gray, teal, and then it also comes in white. So if you like the Cloud Couch but you are looking for a different color, definitely check this one out as well. I'm not really familiar with HomeThreads, so I would tread lightly on this one as well, and make sure you do your research before you make any purchases. One dupe that I forgot to mention while filming is this plush 4-piece sectional by American Signature, and this one very closely resembles the Restoration Hardware Cloud Couch. I would say the major difference is definitely with the legs of this couch. They stand out a lot more than on the Cloud Couch, which seems to have a somewhat seamless base. And this one retails for $2,869. It's a beautiful couch, and I think that it is a great dupe. And last up, we have the Milo upholstered sofa with chaise sectional, and this is from Pottery Barn. So as you all know, Pottery Barn is a very reputable brand. It has a great reputation for quality product. This couch comes in many different fabrics, colors, textures. You can make it to order, and this one retails for $2,898, which is just a fraction of the Restoration Hardware Cloud Couch. One thing to keep in mind, I don't see any reviews for the Pottery Barn couch. However, Pottery Barn has a very high reputation. I think you can rest easy knowing that they pride themselves in the quality of their product. So keep that in mind, but if it's something that you're into, definitely do your research as well. And that is the last dupe that I have for you in today's video. One thing I do want to mention is that I did discover some of these dupes from other YouTubers, so I'll definitely go ahead and link their channels down below so that I can give credit where credit is due. Others I found on my own, but I definitely want to make sure that I'm supporting other content creators. If you are interested, definitely check the description box so that you can watch some of these channels that I have discovered as well, in hopes that you will enjoy them just as much as I do. If you like videos like this or you want to see more, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe. If you are already subscribed and have not yet done so, please click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And that is all I have for you. Have a great one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.